I saw a man walking around Donggongon. He didn't turn, he didn't speak, he just kept his pace. He rounded the corner, leaving no trace, but the word remained stuck, bouncing in the air. Hey man, tell me, what's the brightness you are preaching? Anavau, Anavau, hanging on your back for teaching. Is it some ancient wisdom, a philosophy of life, or just the simple message that you're living in plain sight? You walk the path with that cryptic little slogan. The whole town wants to know, what is the fire you carry? What is the flame you keep? Hey man, tell me, what's the promise that you boldly sow? Hey man, tell me, what's the brightness you are preaching? Anavau, Anavau, hanging on your back for teaching. Is it some ancient wisdom, a philosophy of life, or just the simple message that you're living in plain sight? For the ones who read it through, maybe the brightness, man, belongs entirely to you.